6. So for today's maths, I've got another investigation for you. Today's investigation is a dice investigation. So if you've got some dice in your house, that would be brilliant. But if you haven't, you can use the same website that I've got open on the screen now. So I've put a link to that in the lesson document. So the investigation is we're going to be throwing 2 dice or using virtual dice and adding the scores on the dice together to see what happens. So first of all, number 1, throw the 2 dice and add the scores. So here I'm just going to select roll again. Okay, so I've got 2 add 1, so I'm going to write down the answer to that, which is obviously 3. Okay, I'm going to roll it again. This time I've got 6 and 5, so I'm going to write down 11. And I'm going to roll it again. This time I've got 1 and 3, so I'm going to write down 4. And 5 and 5, so I'm going to write down 10. I want you to do this at least 25 times and write down the answers each time. What you're looking for then is there a pattern? Are some answers more likely to come up than others? And if they are, if you find that some answers are more likely to come up, why is this? Okay, so I want you to try that 25 times, or if you're enjoying it, you can do it more than that, because actually the more you do it, the more likely you are to spot the pattern. Once you've had a go at doing that, I want you to try it with 3 dice. So this time you won't just be adding the 2 numbers together, you're going to be adding the 3 numbers together. If you are using the virtual dice like me, if you select go back, and then you should be able to change the number of dice that you are rolling to 3, and you can do it that way. So now I've got 5, add 2, add 4, and I'm going to add those numbers together to give me 11. Do it again, exactly the same. 5, add 1, add 2. So that gives me 8, and I'm going to record them. Again, I want to do it at least 25 times. You can do it more if you want to. And see, once again, are some numbers more likely to come up than others? What do you find? And if so, is there a reason why? Once you've had a go at that, number 3, what about multiplying the digits? So again, this time you'll want to go back to having 2 dice, but rather than adding the numbers that come up on the dice, I want you to multiply them together. And is there a pattern with that? Again, I want you to try it 25 times. I've got a feeling for that one you might need to try it more times to spot a pattern, but I want to see what you can find out. And lastly, once you've had a go at that, number 4, can you come up with your own investigation using dice then? Is there a different investigation that you'd like to try? So it could be subtracting, perhaps you'd like to add more dice. Okay, so I want to see what you can come up with for that part.